So for the past few hours, I selected some of the production of the past few weeks in order to find a sampling that is representative of the production. So I separate the stone in a different type, depending on the color on the size. I also selected some stone from a more rare specimen with colors that are not commonly found in the production.
We are extremely proud to be operating the most sophisticated and modern ruby mining operation in the world, despite the very challenging Arctic conditions. The Aappaluttoq Ruby project is a great opportunity for people in Greenland, not only working at the mine, but in the state-of-the-art processing plant, as well as our sorting facility.
Yeah, we're going to blast the ore. Yeah, it's a very large blasting. Those the blue things is magnet split that those blast like this, not that one, but blast like for careful blastings. Then we'll make some big rocks, and it's going to a process plant.
Up. E-type sample. Yeah. Collected out of the rock. So this sample will be able to join the reference collection of the Danat lab.
So to see these mountains getting blown out, these huge boulders getting crushed into minor rocks, the minor rocks getting crushed into pebbles, and the pebbles getting fed into the plant, the sorting plant, and then seeing how the different machines identify whether there's rubies or not. And of course there is always the human eye that also helps on that check, because the machines do not catch everything.
So the whole system of this plant is quite simple. So first the ore is arriving by there, then you have a crusher. So the crusher will break all the rocks into a smaller one, and this will pass through some screen where people will be able to see if there are rubies or not. If there are rubies, it will put the piece on the side, and all the rest will go on this side, where you will have an additional crushing. Then you will have, when everything will be small enough, it will go through a DMS. So it means a dense media, where everything that is very heavy, that is hosting some rubies, will be separated with something that is lighter, where there will be no rubies. And at the end, you have an optical sorter, where everything that will be red will be separated from the rest.
The whole process of how we get our stones, it is mind-blowing, that from moving this massive amount of earth with these huge machinery down to the sorting that we find in India and Thailand, to the cutting that's done, and down to the mysetters who set in high power microscopes, super fine precision work. All the prongs have to be set exactly right around the ruby, not to break the ruby, and also to keep it in place. From Mother Earth to the final piece of design jewelry is mind-blowing. And I really do wish that I can convey this story to my clients and tell them about the magic that I've felt being up here in Greenland.